Oh, it smells of lemon.
Lean forward.
It's fine. Awful.
It's like that bloody dice. What do you think? Better than a fag, isn't it?
Yeah, see those bits on there?
Rick, it stinks.
You stink.
Smells of baby soap.
Watch, just watch. Quick demonstration here. You ready? See those? They're skips. See, all the skips are grouped together because they're frightened. See, that's how good this vacuum is. They're all shit scared. They're all, fuck me, that fucking big vacuum's coming up, that Craigmeister. Oh, see, they're all running. Look at them run. They're running. All skips are running away. The little baby's going, oh no, don't kill me. Please don't kill me. There you go, you bastards. Come on. There you go. That's how it's going to be. Guys, little test for here, little test. Little fag pack in here. Little bit of paper there, Sean. Oh, just float that down. Just float that down. Should we float some cardboard as well? A little bit of cardboard there. Here we go. Are you watching now? Sean, focus on that 3-year motor warranty. Bet they're having a bloody car that. Here we go, you ready? Here, Lisa. Oh, here we go. Oh, yeah. Good, yeah. Oh, yeah. Fucking nip that thing up there then. Right. What else can we do now? I'm sure we can do better than that, can't we? Oh my God, we've lost Rosaria. Rosaria, love. I'm very sorry. Rosaria's gone.
Never lost it, I lost it.
Sam's toenails have needed cutting for weeks. Here we go, you ready, Sam?
Pulling the fucking blooming hairs out, for God's sake.
Can you hear that? That's Sam's toenails going through there then. Little look, there we go.
That's the chest hairs.
These curtains are needed doing well.
Oh dear. Right, you missed a bit over here. Oh dear. No! Oh shit!
The music suddenly went.
We are now on location in St. try not to laugh, but this is
Is that a moth?
Sebastian said, fucking I want to make me in that apartment tonight.
Need to get all these pine needles.
Oh. Yeah, this is Sam and Kev's balcony. Right, Kev, how you doing?
Yeah, man. Look at
Yeah,
that.
man.
Look at that.
How's the boy you got going, yeah?
Fuck the tree.
This man is unbelievable. Right.
Anyway, this machine can pick anything up in the world. This is the best vacuum cleaner ever.
Yeah, man.
We've just lost Rosaria, and we'll have to split her out tomorrow night. Oh! I've just found a new imprint. This does not either. Could be tremendous. It's got some big red lines. Bring the TV out, mate.
Oh, it's slipped up the road.
Come on down, Skev. Pass it down, mate. No, I'll tell you not. There's Seamus. To be sure. On the side. Look at that! Look at that! Fantastic! There's only one winner, isn't there? Only one winner, mate. We'll have to take the head off it as well. No!
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, get off! Get near me with that.